Namaskar, I am Shilpi Singh. Today we will discuss the few remaining topics of Numpy array of class 11. The topics to be covered today. First one is loading arrays from files. It means if the data is already stored in the text file and CSV file, then we retrieve or import the data from files and perform the operations. And if we retrieve that information from file and convert to the array. And second one, the saving the numpy array in a file on disk. After the perform the operation, after create the numpy array, then we store the data on disk in the form of text and Excel file. Okay, then start this one. The first one is loading arrays from files. If the data is already stored in the text file, then we retrieve or we import the data from these files and create the array. There are two functions that perform the operations of this. The first one is load text, and second one is the gen from text. It means generate from text and load text. It means the text file is already created and we store this information in array. Then first we will discuss about load text. And this is a text file that is already stored in somewhere. Then we have write np.load text. This is a function of numpy. The first one we have to give the path of text file where the file is stored. Then next attribute we are using the skip rows. If we want to skip some rows, because we have to take the array contain the similar data type. In the text file, the first row will be the heading, like this one, roll, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. These are the string. But array is similar, it means we have to perform the operation only on data. And this one is useful. This one is skip rows. Then put equals to 1, it means the first row will be skipped. The second one, the next one is delimiter. It means separator. In the text file, we are using the comma. This comma will be used to separate the integers or data. It means the one is the marks of marks 1, then 36, another data 18 and 57. Then the type of array. Then we are using d type equals to int. It means when the array is created, all the element type is integer. Very simple. Then we write the print student data. It will show like this one. Just check this one. That is this one. This is data that is already stored. The first one is, I check this one, test. These are the data, rows, marks, marks 2. This is the first row that will be skipped. And this is data separated by comma. It is a path. It means D11 test. Program. This one is the program. Import numpy as np. This is the path. This is the path. Then next one is skip rows because we want to skip first row. This is the comma and integer. Then run the program. Yes. The array is created. It means we retrieve the data from text file and array is created. It's very simple, nothing else. The few argument parameters are required as per the need and created with the help of load text. Okay. And next, Next is perform the function. This is using numpy dot then from text. Okay, this method is then from text is another method in numpy to load the data from file. One main difference is that the load text function has one thing, is compulsory that all the data must be present. If some data is missing, the load function, load text will not perform the operation. For example, this is the text file. This is the text file. Some data is missing. For example, this one is missing. The marks third, roll number 2, marks third is missing. Then if we want to create array with the help of load text, then it will show the error. But if this type of data we have to handle whether some data is missing, then we have to use then from text. When generate from text, this method will be used. Then the remaining person is same. The first one is the path of text file. Then this one is script underscore header. This attribute is just some difference because we are using here skip rows and here using the skip underscore header equals to 1. Again, to skip the first row. Then both are same. Delimiter, this is the separator, this is the comma, and b type equals to int. Okay, it means the type of this one is integer. If we are taking this type equals to int, then missing data will be changed to -1. If anywhere data is missing, then it will be replaced by -1. Okay, if we are not want the data is -1, then if we are not giving the d type equals to int, then it will show the none. Just check this one. This is the program. This I type this one. Just check the text file. This one is the text file. This data is missing, not entered. Then okay, it will be -1. Okay, the missing data will be replaced by -1. And if you remove this, the missing data will be replaced by the none. This is none. Okay, if you not, remove the type of this one, we remove the int, then this one is shown by the none. Okay, this is the main difference between then from text and load text. The last one is now saving the numpy array to the text file. First we retrieve the data from text file. Now the array will be stored in the text file. Okay, because we have performed the different operation. After this, we want to store the array in somewhere else in the hard disk and the secondary device. Then we are using this function. The function name is save txt. Okay, then first import this one. We create the array. Then this one np.saveText. This is the path where we want to save. This is the array, which array we want to store. This is the separator, this is similar. This is the FMT, this is the format, which type of data is stored. The %i, it means data type is integer. Okay, just check this one. This is the program. It means we create the array with the help of arrange and reshape. This is 10 cross 5. Same. It is created. Now we have to check the file is created or not. The path is, we have given the path. This is D11. Then this one. Just check. This one is created. Test out. These are the data. Okay. It's simple. Nothing. If you want to store the data and save the data in a text file, then we have to use the function save txt path. This is the path. This is the array. Want to store. This is delimiter. This is separator. Format I. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.